You're keeping me on. Yeah, I'm strapped in, stuck in a song you can't turn off. Like a merry-go-round, my head is spinning. I see you up and about. I'm sure as hell not. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor, late night skinny dipping like we're on our own ride. Got the words now, 'cause we're so young. We're in your car singing crazy to the radio. I remember it like time's been frozen still. Oh, had no words now, we were so young. Now you're long gone, and I know.
Hey, what's up everybody? So welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm pretty excited to show you guys on how to color grade your videos. As you can see at the moment, I'm showing you guys my video color graded. So honestly speaking, it depends on you guys because I'm sure that different people like different things. Some of you might want to have original color on your videos, but some want to change the color tone and the color of the video into something else. Especially for me, because sometimes I just want my videos to be more cinematic. Because sometimes, you know, when you just film the videos right from your smartphone, sometimes the colors is gonna be too warm or too cold. So today I'm going to show you guys exactly on what the best app you should use in order to color grade your videos, and especially to add a components, you know, like text, which you can see in the video. I use different kind of text adding onto my videos so that it make your video more interesting, and all of this is done by your smartphone. So what I'm about to show you is going to work on both iOS and Android devices. So let's get started. Okay guys, so first of all what you have to do is to download the Premiere Rush. You can find the Premiere Rush from your App Store or your Play Store if you're using Android. Just search Rush or Premiere Rush over here. So this is the application. So when you get the app, open the app and click on plus, and this is where you create your new project, and you can add media, or you can take video photo directly from the app, but you should not do so because you should already have your videos on your phone, and then you can add media, and then you can start working on your video directly. So now, as you can see in the blank screen, here is my previous project. So I just click on the blank screen, so I come up to my project now. If I move the cursor, as you can see over there are the text. So all of the text are also added using Rush. So in this video, besides showing you guys how to color grade your video, I'm going to show you everything that this app has. All the features included in this app are very useful because you don't have to carry along your laptop every time that you travel to different places, because what you need is your smartphone. You can add transitions, you can add text, or some animations are also available on this app. So without further delay, let's get started with the first thing that I would like to share today is the color grading. So this is the video. Click on the video that you would like to color grade. So I would love to color grade this video. So next thing that you need to do is to click on color. Yeah, you have different presets built in on the app. So you can have different kind of styles depending on your favorite or your taste. So my preference is cinematic, but if you look at a video, you see the face of the person in the video is too dark. So what I'm going to do is to adjust intensity. I drag it down a little bit so you can see the difference. so I kind of drag it up to 71. The next thing that I would like to do is to adjust the contrast, so I also drag it down to 57 or lower than that. It depends on the clips that you have, because for your information, this tutorial might work differently on your video, because the video might be shot on different location, on different lighting situations, so you cannot just follow what I'm doing exactly, because the result is not going to be the same. But somehow I give you an idea of what is what. So highlight, as you can see, if you pay attention to the cloud, you can see that if you bring down the highlight, you might see a little bit of the blue sky appear a little bit. But if you bring it down too much, your video is going to be very dark. So highlight just a bit, yeah, -9. Shadow, increase a little bit. Temperature, so temperature, as you can see in this video, this is my preference, guys. So again, I'm not sure what is your preference, but mine, I would love to adjust it a little bit colder. Then thin, drag it to the right, so that's gonna pop up with a little bit of pinkish. Vibrance, yeah, I think it's up to you what kind of percentage you would love to set on your footage. So saturation, a little bit of saturation. Yeah, the next one is the faded fill. This is what I would like to play around with my video. So I kind of drag it more than half, so that it looks like as you can see, it's really hard to tell, but it's really it does look different from the original video. And next is this one. Just drag it to the left, yeah, so that you can see the frame of this video is gonna be a bit darker. So the focus is on the people in the middle, or the subject that you are shooting. Further, so 50% is enough. Yeah, that's it. That's how the video should be done. You see that? So now you have the cinematic look on your footage. And again, as you can see, there are many different presets, so you can play around with the different preset that you think you like best. So I think the video now looks pretty much good for me, so ready to produce another cinematic video look on this video. So the next thing that I would like to show you in this video is the speed ramp. I'm not quite sure if you know what the speed ramp is, but just let me give you a short information about the speed ramp. Speed ramp is like you speed up your video and you slow down your video, so that the pace of your video is going to be different, from fast to slow or from slow to fast. So for the speed ramp, just click on the video and go to speed, and you can see up here, yeah, you can adjust it you can adjust the range. For example, you track it somewhere here, to the left and the right, and 100%. Actually, you can move it, drag it down so it's lower. It's up to you. So now the video is going to be faster because I increase it up to 510, and I drag the period, the length of the ramp, the speed ramp, somewhere here. So when I play the video is normal, but it's very fast during that set speed ramp. This is about speed ramp, so I just go quickly with another one that I'm going to show you. Is the titles. What to expect from a smartphone? This is what I thought, because I have been using the iMovie a lot on my iOS device. So this is something to surprise me the most when I found out this application just goes so much beyond the iMovie, because what you can find from this app is more styles for your text added to your video. As you can see, the first one, you can click on that and this one will be added onto your project. So when you play the video, it just come up with this. That is awesome. And you can add more styles if you want. Brush title is very popular. You can browse through to, you know, from page 1 to 29. So that's amazing. To me, that's amazing. That's awesome that you can add more styles, more text on your video right from your smartphone. You can add some animation, as I mentioned. Yes, you can add to that. So here you can see it's pop up with that. Okay, so the next thing is the transition. So I think everybody knows about transitions, only 3 transitions. But what I like the most about this app is the ability to color grade your video, to add text, to add some animations onto your video. As you can see, thanks for watching here. Filmed and edited on iPhone 11 Pro Max. Also the text edit right from the Rush app. And yeah, subscribe and the hearts flying up to the sky. So all of these were added using the app right from my phone. And also you can add the audio right here. Click on plus and add media. Yeah, browse through your audio file. But if you have a problem adding your audio onto your project, please let me know in the comment down below. I can help you to solve the problem out. Last but not least is to save your project. So click on this and then you are ready to export. And you can also adjust the setting if you love to. There are a couple of settings that you can choose from, but it's better to go with automatic. As you can see, the problem with my program or the app right now is I have reached my export limit. So I am encouraged, probably forced, to upgrade for unlimited sharing. So I think per email account, you can only export up to 5 videos. So my suggestion is that if you don't want to upgrade, you should, it's kind of annoying, but this is something that you can do, is to create more Gmail accounts or email accounts. Is better than subscribing or upgrading. But if you have some budget available to invest in this, I think it's probably the best option for you guys to go for. But for me personally, I'm not going to upgrade it. I'm not going to pay for this, because if you can see that it is a subscription where you have to pay the money monthly. All of these tutorials is just to help you guys to know that this kind of amazing app does exist. So that's it. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment down below, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you.